I don't follow the noise. I follow the signals. In a world that rushes forward, I choose to pause, observe, evaluate, decide. Every project is a possibility, but only a few become true value. I choose what endures over time, what grows even when the market shifts direction. I choose what today is vision and tomorrow becomes certainty. I don't chase trends. I map trajectories. Between sea and desert, light and stillness, I don't look for a place. I search for meaning, because true luxury for me is knowing I chose well. Every choice is an act of responsibility. Every investment is a promise of strength, of vision, of future. I don't build properties. I build a strategy. And when I present an opportunity, I offer a place where value will continue to grow. A choice that looks beyond the present. I offer an investment that becomes legacy. For those who seek not just returns, but value that increases over time. Sensoria,